Hi there. Welcome to Inspire Living, a place where you find positivity and solutions to various problems. I'm Meera Iyer, your friend and companion in this journey of self discovery. I'm often asked, how do we deal with negative thoughts from coming in the path of our success? Today, we are going to talk just about that, how to deal with negative thinking that sabotages our own success paths. Who doesn't have negative thoughts? You have it, I have it, our parents had it, our children have it. But without a negative thought, is it even possible to go towards the path of success? Because many times it's the fear of failure that propels us towards our goals. So I'm not here to propagate that negative thinking is something important. But I'm here to tell that there are several ways of dealing with it. And the first and foremost things that we need to do is understand that negative thinking is not bad. Negative thoughts are like fire. Either you use them as a fuel for your motivation, or else it has the capability to destroy you. So don't put yourselves into a position of self-doubt. Self-doubting is the main culprit of negative thinking. For example, you decide to go on a trek with your friend, and at the last moment your friend backs out. Many times we end up not going for the trek not because other people had stopped us from going, but because we doubted our own self for not being capable enough to go ahead for the trip by our own. There might be so many incidents like that for you. You might have not gone for a concert which you always wanted to go because you didn't have a companion with you. You have not gone and sung a particular song which was asked of you, and you knew that you could sing really well, but you didn't, for the fear of judgment, for the fear that somebody will laugh at you, somebody will go ahead and snigger at you, and you start to doubt, what if I don't sing well? What if my voice cracks? What if somebody laughs and I get distracted? What if I'm out of tune? There are so many doubts that just drop up within a matter of seconds. What do we do at that time? Do we go ahead or not? And most of the times we decide not to do because it keeps us safe. Taking risks takes guts. Then what to do? Take the risk or not? Of course, take the risk. Keep going forward with whatever you decided to do. Because if you let self-doubt come in your way, it'll snowball into something so big that it won't let you do what you have decided. The second thing that you need to do is to start collecting evidences. Evidences from the past that made you succeed in life. Evidences that you took some decisions for your own self, stood up for yourself, and they ended up becoming a big success in your life. Many times we put down ourselves saying, I did not have much to do. I did not succeed much. But the truth is, we succeed every single day. Every single day is a success. If you've come past this day, you have succeeded in some things. So sit down and start collecting all these evidences of what you have done to let self-doubt go out of the window. And if you are like me, you'll have big dreams. Everyone has big dreams. But go ahead and make them into small little dreams that lead you to the big dream that you have. What I mean to say is that you probably should sit down and write your milestones. If you have to become a billionaire, you have to start with 10,000, then 20,000, then 30,000. Celebrate these milestones. They keep you happy and tell you that yes, it's possible. I have made this much of success. Then maybe I should go a little bit more. So then the self-doubt and negative thinking goes away. When the path is difficult and the goal is far, it's very natural to get demotivated, to get distracted. to become lazy. The last but not the least, find a friend, find a companion who has utter determination and faith in you. The person who honestly would rap you on your head and tell you to get up and start walking. These companions are rare to find, but sure in your life. It could be your mother, your sister, your friend, your spouse. Find that one person who has so much of faith in you that their positivity rubs on to you. Then your negative thinking will have no space in your life. I love reading your comments, so keep them coming, and please subscribe to this channel and keep watching out for more of my videos. Thank you.